how to remove and install your canopy for your Caboose Ultralight stroller. So to remove it, you're going to want to make sure to collapse it. And it has a hinge on each side. So you'll just want to pop that up. Do the same on the other side. And then collapse the canopy. And then it is attached with some clips down here, the canopy clips. So you'll just press the button on each side. Press the button and pull it out. And then if you have to switch it out, or if you just want to clean it and put it back on, when you go to put it back on, it's going to have the extra panel at the front, and then the zippered part goes to the back. Also, it's got a Joovy tag that goes to the back, so you want to make sure you install it the right way. So you'll just line it up with the holes on the stroller, push it in, make sure it's in there, and then you can open your canopy, lock your side hinges, and that's how you remove your canopy and reinstall it.